everybody. Today we are going to make a very simple microwave chocolate chip mug cookie. So first we're going to just put a little bit of butter into our mug so nothing will stick, and then microwave a tablespoon of butter until it's melted. We're going to separate the yolk out of one egg. It's pretty easy to do this with a spoon, but if you clean your hands before and afterwards, you can scoop out the yolk with your fingers really easily. And that's going into just a pinch of salt. You could use a separate bowl if you wanted to, but I wanted to save dishes. When your butter's all melted, you are going to mix in a tablespoon of white sugar and a tablespoon of brown sugar and get that all mixed together. And then add your egg yolk and salt. You want to make sure that your butter wasn't so hot that the egg yolk starts cooking, but it should be okay once you get the sugar in there. And add to that 1/4 cup of flour, just all-purpose flour, and get that all mixed up until it starts to look like cookie dough. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. You could add yogurt chips or peanut butter chips or butterscotch, whatever you want. And then squish down the dough so it's all flat. And we're going to microwave it for 1 minute at 80% power and clean up our station while that's going. And pull it out. Make sure to be careful. It will be hot when it comes out of the microwave. Should look like a fairly blonde cookie. Nice melted chocolate chips. Very tasty, very easy, in and out in 5 minutes. Hope you'll give this a try if you want a quick, sweet treat.